Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some swim stuff. We have a bag, we have a snorkel, and hopefully we have the rest too. We do. We have the mask. The snorkel. The snorkel, that was the mask. We have the mask and the snorkel. Okay, so we have everything. So here we go. You can see right off the bat, this is nice and flexible. Very good. Here is. I don't need to zip off anymore. Put that in there. Peel off some of this stuff here. Some silica gel. I have a couple of little stickers to peel off. There's one on the inside too. Okay, so I think everything's there. Okay, so it has a tempered glass cover on it. And let me just see how we're doing here. Wow, these are way loose. So I can pull the end, and now I have a seal. Okay, perfect. And then we have our snorkel here. Ah, this one's good. It comes with a little spring thingy. It's like that. So it's got a hinge, so it'll just bracket on there. Sorry, my dog enjoys that too much. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this around there. Snaps in. Good. And let's try this on. Okay. I actually have to tighten it up a little bit more. There we go. And where's the head? Here it is. Okay, so we are pretty tight now. Yes, I have a good seal. And what's good about this is totally flexible. Okay, and it's got the little ball at the top, you see? So if I go underwater, the water will soak back into it. Now I can go down. It stopped up when I leaned back because it was underwater. So I guess it's normally the way you swim, you can breathe. It works great. I'm able to breathe through it, and it seems like it's gonna work really well for me, and the glass is good. I can see everything perfectly. So I'm gonna say this one here is a total winner, and I even like that it came with its own little bag. So when I go to the beach or go to the ocean, take it on a trip, I'll be able to keep it together as such. So really good, thumbs up for sure.